Pioneers in the field of AI. Let us have a look at some of these pioneers in the field of artificial intelligence, whose contribution proved to be a milestone for the future generation. Alan Turing. Alan Turing was a brilliant British mathematician, biologist, and computer scientist. His Turing machine was one of the first basic computers created. He is known as the father of theoretical computer science and also as the father of artificial intelligence due to his creation of the Turing test. John McCarthy. John McCarthy was an American computer scientist and cognitive scientist. He is known as the father of artificial intelligence. He developed the Lisp, an acronym for List Processing Programming Language, and soon it became the choice of programming language. In 1971, he received the Turing Award. Ross Quillen. Ross Quillen was a leading scientist and researcher in the field of electronics and communications during 1960. His work Syntax is widely accredited in the field of AI. In his project, Quillen developed the first semantic web. Edward Feigenbaum. Edward Feigenbaum is often called the father of expert systems. He was the joint winner of 1994 ACM Turing Award. Marvin Minsky. Marvin Minsky was an American cognitive and computer scientist. He wrote the book Perceptrons as his groundbreaking work on artificial neural networks. IBM. IBM Company stood as the next pioneer in the field of artificial intelligence as it hit a major milestone with its development and creation of Deep Blue. On February 10, 1997, it played against world-renowned chess master Garry Kasparov. For the first time, AI won against a human.